Tyson, the Subaru specialist here, and this is the 2026 Subaru Uncharted GT in the platinum white two-tone being the black roof. GT is the fully loaded model in the newest, smallest EV from Subaru. We've got a 77 kilowatt hour battery and dual electric motors, giving you a combined horsepower rating of 338 horsepower. These are absolute rockets. Charging port is front passenger side, does use the NACS charge port, can use Tesla chargers, and accepts charge speeds of up to 150 kilowatts with a very aggressive charge curve. Now at the back here, we do have backup sensors integrated into the rear bumper, those little black circles. We've also got them on the front. They're gonna let you know when you're getting close to things in reverse. Button lines up with the left arm of the A, and that opens into the cargo area. Tall, wide, and deep. There's more storage space in here than people expect. This privacy cover can be removed. It just strings up top, pop socket right there, and you can actually put it underneath the false floor here. We also have a 120 volt, 1500 watt inverter, along with the ability to turn it on there. House plug for any charging needs you may have. The GT does get the upgraded Harman Kardon audio system, so great audio system in a vehicle of this size. We can pull down to close, we can lock and close when it's not running, we can close it. You can use the button on the key fob or the button by the driver's door. Low profile roof rails, you can get crossbars that lock into these little doors here, carrying things on the roof. Handle is integrated into the upper portion. Great second row room, lots of headroom, lots of legroom. Get the StarTex interior in this, so easy clean. It is perforated. Fold down armrest with integrated cup holders and a media storage spot. The outer two seats are heated, 3 stages of heated seats for both outboard passengers. Person in the middle, in addition to having to sit in the middle, doesn't get a heated rear end. Vents out of the center console and 2 illuminated USB ports keep everyone happy on those longer trips. There are matte back pockets on the backs of both front seats, and both the armrest and the door card are a single soft touch piece, which is really nice for passenger comfort. Below that, we have a large bottle holder, and if you need it, child lock is easy to access. We do get the panoramic glass roof in the GT. Front door card looks virtually the same as the rear, but we do have 2 position memory settings, and we have the ability to power fold our mirrors, click of a button. It is a power driver seat, including lumbar, and it's the same StarTex up front as it is in the second row. Inside the GT, we have our square circle steering wheel. Driver focus system right there will scan your face until you're paying attention to your surroundings or if you're distracted. At 100% charge, says that we're going to be able to go 466 kilometers. We've got our adaptive cruise control, lane assist on the right, menu and Bluetooth controls on the left. We have paddles to manually select our level of regenerative braking, should we wish to. And we have a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, including things like heated steering wheel, ventilated and heated seats. And the GT is the first trim level to get both 3 stages of heated and ventilated seats for the front passenger and driver. Heated steering wheel is auto, high, or low. Easy to navigate through. Climate controls, and you have easy access to your driving assist, blind spot monitor detection. All that safety stuff is easy to access. Fan strength, easy to access right there. Physical volume knob, dual wireless chargers, and our drive selectors down here in the center. So to select drive, you push down on the outside, twist to the right, you're in drive, down and to the left, you're in reverse, and you get a 360-degree backup camera in the GT for park. We've got the ability to turn on the 360 camera, even when we're in drive. That shows us ahead of us in 360, 360, and you can kind of choose the best of both worlds. 3 different drive modes: normal, power, and eco, depending what your preference is. And then an X mode is like 4 low on a pickup for the really rough stuff. Center console opens both ways, depending who's trying to open it. We've got an auto dimming mirror up here along with the smart view. So if I flick this switch, there's a camera at the back and you can see behind you. So if your view is blocked by passengers or cargo, and you can clean it from inside the vehicle simply by pushing forward on it, puts fluid right over top of that. And then we've got our sunshade control, our SOS, and as you can see, that panoramic glass extends well into the second row. That is a quick look at the 2026 Subaru Uncharted GT in the platinum white two-tone, and you can find that down here at the corner of 1st and Victoria, Subaru of Prince George.